Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is my sister Suethelle. Today we're going to be reviewing some Happy Meal toys.
Mayan Pony.
And Bumblebee Cyberverse adventures. But before that, allow us to greet you. Happy Halloween! For this Halloween, Mom and Dad got us some Mouse Morales and Spider-Gwen costumes. They also bought the new set of the current Happy Meal.
My little pony. We have Rarity, Pinkie Pie, Fluttershy, and Rainbow Dash. These toys turn around. I love it.
For the Transformers toys, we have Bumblebee. Also, the evil Megatron. And my dad's favorite, Starscream. Unfortunately, our store didn't have Optimus Prime, so we still have to look for it. And by the way, all of the robots have holograms on their chests, which is pretty cool. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!